Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk Civil 3D 2022. In this session we will learn about the super elevation. To start, let's close this by default drawing, which is drawing number 1. Then we will access the file saved in the last lecture, which was lecture number 62. From here, we can simply select this alignment, go to super elevation, and then we have option to calculate and edit the super elevation. From here we get this dialog box which shows the curve name, the curve definition, it's automatic, the design speed is 40 kilometers per hour, radius is 40 bird meters, direction is towards right, we have the starting and the ending station along with its length. Then we have transition in details and transition out details, which includes the entities before transition method and the overlap. For the super elevation curve, we can select curve 1, curve 2, and so on. In super elevation wizard, we can use this curve only, the entire alignment, or select a few curves. If we select all, then we get these options. Let's cancel it and see the other way around. We can directly click on calculate super elevation now. We will get into this dialog box directly. Here in undivided ground, we have the options for the center, inside of curve, outside of curve, left side and right side. This is the pivot method. Next we have this undivided planner. Here in the pivot method, again we have all these options of the center, inside, outside, left and right side. And in the height side location we have the left edge or right edge. The divided ground with median, we have these options. In divided planar with median, we have these options. So you can go for all these options one by one to learn. Next we have the lanes. We can go for the symmetric roadway, or if we uncheck, we have to give the value for both sides. In symmetric we will keep it 1 lane, the normal lane would be 3 and the normal lane slope would be 2%. The outside edge shoulder, the normal shoulder width is 1.5 meters and negative 5 degrees slope. The low side should match the lane slope, and similarly for the high side. Here you can see the design criteria file for the super elevation rate table, the transition length table, and the attainment method. After selecting all of them, we can check the percentage on tangent for the tangent curve. We can apply the curve of smoothing, or we can go with automatically resolve like this. Here you can see the complete details with the starting station, ending station, length, overlap, and so on. We can automatically resolve these errors as well, as they are more of a warning instead of error. Here you can see overlap has been detected on this super elevation curve. Now we can ignore it simply, or we can resolve it. Here you can see the super elevation has been created. Now we can do one more thing. We can go for create super elevation view. Here we can give it a specific name. Here we can give the alignment, it is axis track. The layer can be used with the modifier of suffix underscore static. We will use the data for the entire range. Here we can see left outside lane, right outside lane, then left outside shoulder and right outside shoulder. Then we can click anywhere on the screen to get the super elevation view. We can regenerate to make these warnings smaller in size. Once we have learned about the super elevation, now we can save the file as lecture number 63 because we were doing all the changes in lecture number 62. After that, we can close the file. So this was all about the super elevation calculation and its view. I hope that you have understood this concept quite well. Let's call it a day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.